Hey, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I'll be showing you how I gave this new style to my husband's watch without having to spend a bunch of money. This watch band from BOTOMALL has really given my husband's watch a very nice new stylish look. We love the premium soft leather in the inside and the outside. We also appreciated that this has stainless steel buckle and the adapter to lock to the watch. It looks simple but attractive at the same time. It's very easy to swap the watch band, which is a plus. And once you put it on, you're gonna see that it looks stylish, but also you're gonna see that it has a very precise cutout. We've been loving this color. There's multiple beautiful colors with it. You can wear it with something casual or something more dressy, and it looks very unique. BOTOMALL Apple Watch Bands have a multiple variety of colors that you are gonna love. I highly recommend these beautiful watch bands, and that is my point of view.